What's up, guys? If you have an older BMW or even an older Volkswagen, you might notice that you have this weird distinct crayon smell. I can't really explain why it smells like crayons. So I bought this E46 about a year ago and it had this smell, and in this car it was actually pretty bad. So one of the first things I did was try to locate where most of the smell was coming from. Now, underneath the back seat here, there was all this insulation that actually goes over these little covers that are above your fuel tank. And that insulation would actually crumble in your hand. It's not this stuff right here, but if you see anything that's over these covers, there's that insulation that goes around here and probably in the back there. I took all that out, and like I said, it was crumbling in my hand as I was taking it out. And it seems like most of the crayon smell is actually coming from that. And then check underneath here. And then in the trunk, I removed everything out of the trunk, the spare tire, all the insulation, all of that stuff. And I cleaned all this metal just using like Simple Green or some type of a all-purpose cleaner. So after that, most of the smell was gone, but it still had seeped into the leather and into the carpet. So what I did was clean the carpet, I vacuumed it, then I used some shampoo, some carpet shampoo, and then I vacuumed it again. Then with the leather, all I did was use some Lexol cleaner for the leather and the conditioner, and that actually made the leather smell a lot better. And I also cleaned all the door panels and the trim on the dash, and anywhere, pretty much cleaned the entire interior of the car, including the windows. I know windows don't seem like they smell, but you might as well clean the windows too. And I also replaced the cabin filter under the hood. Then on top of all that, I used an Ozone machine, which you want to be careful with that. You don't want to breathe any of that in. It's a machine you put in the car. You can leave it in the car for about half an hour with the windows just cracked a little bit, and then shut the machine off and let the car sit for a while. Don't go near the car, just let it sit and do its thing. A lot of times they use those in hotel rooms and stuff. So now when it comes to the trunk interior, I'm having an extremely hard time getting the smell out of the insulation on the back of this. This like jute material. I think I'm gonna either have to just throw this piece away or just cut it off. I've tried automotive shampoo, laundry detergent, and I just can't get it out. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it out of my trunk. And then I picked out an air freshener, and I would say I got about 95% of the smell out. Now I know over time it will probably come back and I'll have to redo a lot of this maybe next year or the year after. But for now, it actually smells really good. So that's how I got the crayon smell out of my car. If you have any other ideas of what I could have done, leave me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other videos. I will be making other future BMW videos, so check those out in the future.